What is going on, guys? Another beautiful day. We are here at DXN in Ancaster Fairgrounds. Really beautiful venue, really beautiful area actually. So check out, we're gonna do a walk around, add some music and enjoy. Cheers. by far coolest cars here. Wow, it's Harley Quinn. I should have put my car inside because these are some really beautiful classics. Like, wow. So that was the first half of the meet. Now we're gonna check out the second half. I got a cool sticker. And yeah, let's check it out. Cheers.
Before they say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth move and then hear my heart burst again. For this is the end. I've drowned and dreamt this morning.